Bike check. Alright. This is my new frame.
This is my new MGP.
It's the Mutiny Lucifer, spelled like loose, like your shoelace is loose.
Maggear MGP.
It's really nice.
This one's very nice.
It has a shorter back end than my other ones, so hops are way easier. Manuals are a little bit weirder, but whatever. This is the head tube. It has different designs for the cups on it, or not the cups, the bearings. Has support, down tube gusset, and top tube gusset, so I'm pretty sure I won't break it. Happy that it's strong. Okay, so next up bars.
These bars
Same
are
old.
Blunt stripper bars.
There you go.
Green, lime green.
Super sick, beautiful bars.
Really nice. I like the comfort.
If you look at it, they look a little bit cut down, but it's no big deal.
Great for bar spins.
Dang, this camera's so zoomed in.
Great for bar spins. Yeah, you just
Yep.
throw these all day and catch them.
Next grips.
These
These are ODIs. They are the longer ones, 9-inch long ones, I guess. They're meant for fixie bikes. Odyssey Parens, plastic. They can handle anything you put them through.
And these bar ends.
This is the Fit download drop stem.
This is my
Pretty much the nicest looking stem in my opinion. Signature right there in the front, and a cool cutout. Alright, this is the star nut for the forks.
Star nuts in my bars.
Okay, not the star nut, what am I saying? The compression bolt. And the forks are Shadow Creeper 35-degree forks.
Compression system.
They have pretty thin front dropouts,
I love them.
but I run pegs, grind a lot, and they're holding up good. I looked at the sticker inside and it says lifetime warranty, like right in here of the fork, so if they do break, I could just turn them in, I guess. Yeah. Shut up. Whatever. I'm just kidding, I love you. Okay, next up are the tires. These are Fit. Fit Bikeco. Where are the? Okay, there they are. Fit Bikeco tires, brand new, front and rear. They're the foldable ones too. Kevlar bead, silkworm technology for like I don't know whatever, flat resistant.
They do not flat spot.
Yeah.
Yes.
And I got them from a bike store at my near my house called Elite Bikes, and I got them for only like 25 each. And they're the good ones, the foldable ones. On Dance Comp, it's more expensive. What the hell? Yeah, but that's my tire. These are my pegs. Same old pegs, just painted them flat black.
I don't run pegs because I am not dumb.
Okay.
This is my flex fender.
This is my hub guard.
Usually run pegs on scooters,
Beautiful hub guard. Well, not really, but it works. It does its job. Tie wraps sometimes break off, but
I got Eagle Sport front
I
just like I
put
said.
new tie wraps on, thicker ones, so it should last longer.
I got from
Front wheel is a Shadow Voltrus front wheel, complete. Has a Shadow Conspiracy rim on it. It's pretty nice, but the problem with the front wheel, you have to tighten it down ridiculously tight so it doesn't wobble. Because if you don't, you're gonna be doing like 180s, and then you're gonna land. It's gonna go like make weird metal noises, like metal hitting metal sort of thing, and you're gonna wonder what it is. It's because the wheel's not tight enough, and the bearings are a little bit loose. This is the rear wheel. It has a Shadow rim, same as the front, and a 8-tooth Shadow Rant hub, V2 I think, I'm not sure. Same chain, Shadow chain. Yep, good stuff. That's the dropout design for this frame. It's really nice. Like, I love it. The color's just sick, and the bridges are sick. Now time for the other thing that makes this bike sick is the seat. The seat is a Fit ECCD seat, same as last time, and I think it looks sick. Just the design of it. Everything, okay, basically everything on this bike is the same as it was last time except the different frame. So really, if you watch my other bike checks, you'll be able to, see what all this stuff is. But if you really want me to say again, I'll be happy to do it. Okay, so now the seat post, the fit down low drop seat post, or down low seat post. The clamp is a Federal thin clamp, and it's very thin. Yeah. You're retarded. Okay. The headset is a Kink headset. It says Kink bike, and all you can see is the Co. But it's a Kink, and it's weird. It has like no. Ow. It has the things that hold the ball bearings together are made out of plastic, so they kind of broke. The bearing cages. So like, oh, you can't hear it now, but it used to like make weird crackling noises.
That was you.
Yeah, this mic sucks, so you probably won't be able to hear it, even if it does crack. Oh, what's next? Okay, cranks. Snafu cranks. They're really thin, as you can see, but they are pretty strong. I like them. Bottom bracket, Shadow. Pedals, Colony. And they broke. So I had to put screws and secure them. And now they work perfect. Like I throw this, no, I don't throw it. I just fall normally and get back up, and my bike is all together. Like these pedal things don't rip off, so I'm pretty happy with that. Like I was just super gluing it back together, and then I was like, crap, the super glue's falling apart. So I just put screws and holds it together. It works for me. Yep, those are my pedals. So next, I think the last thing on this bike is a sprocket. Right? Right?
Yeah, that's it. That's a good complete bike, and it works very well.
Okay. Yeah, the sprocket. Let's turn the bike around. That's the sprocket. United. I don't even think they sell it on Dance Comp anymore, but it looks sick. Has 2 sprocket bolt holes instead of 4, but I don't care. I only use 1.
It don't matter.
That's my bike.
Treats it like trash.
I love it.
Watch out, don't trip.
Let's try to get a top view. Money, money, money. Beautiful. I have a sticker on my fork. And we're gonna start riding a little bit, so hope you guys enjoy. I'll probably cut that out, but if I don't, then expect some riding afterward. Okay.
Ride.
See ya.